I've been telling you. I keep telling you, we are at the beginning of something special. And guess who's gearing up? Guess who is jockeying for position? Guess who behind the scenes quietly is preparing for the Metaverse?
It's the emerging industry of virtual worlds known as the Metaverse, and this morning it looks like Walmart may soon be diving in.
Walmart, Vans, Ralph Lauren, Nike, and a bunch of others. Quote from Walmart, they're continuously exploring how emerging technologies may shape future shopping experiences. This is what Cathy Hackl had to say. She's the Chief Metaverse Officer.
We've been doing physical to physical commerce, where we go to a physical store to buy a physical item, right? And with the internet and social media, that changed into, that evolved into e-commerce. But there are new models that are evolving, which is virtual to virtual commerce, where you buy a virtual item using a virtual currency.
We're paving the road, but really who is the target for this? Is it our generation? No, it's the children. Walmart, Nike, and all of them know that the virtual reality right now is being used by a majority of children, not people my age. But people my age are learning to take advantage of this. Listen to what the CEO had to say.
One of our strategies is to win over a new generation, and the new generation is there. So we have to be there.
And just last week, Gap launched its first ever NFTs.
It'll be an evolution. It'll be, the wild, wild west in some ways, but it's really where we're heading.
And that's what I've been saying the whole time, from the beginning, from my very first video, from the very first second I walked into the Infiniverse. I seen this being the next step in the evolution in the way that we surf the internet. So what is the Infiniverse? Think about it. You got Gap, you got Nike, you got Abercrombie Fitch, you got Ralph Lauren. They're all making these different stores, but how are we going to find all these different types of stores? In the multiverse, in Meta, that's where the Infiniverse comes in. Listen to this. When a user creates a metaverse inside the multiverse, then the one key question is, how do people find my metaverse? The answer is the Infiniverse. The Infiniverse is the future of interconnected multiverses. The most obvious way to find a metaverse in a 3D world, hence the rise of the Infiniverse. For the internet to work, you need a browser that serves to host websites and creators to create websites. For the metaverse to work, you need a metaverse browser, multiverse, servers and server tech to shape VR. And we need you to create metaverses for everyone else to browse. Just remember that the Infiniverse is beta right, so be patient. They're fixing all the bugs. But this is the future. Once all these companies get their legal issues out of the way, once everybody starts really understanding the way that the Infiniverse is an interconnected way to surf the internet inside 3D space, it's going to blow up. I want to show you how us users have been coming together, creating this type of environment for the first time ever in 3D. I come to my wrist, I come to my rooms, I go to Attic Central Station. As soon as you walk in here, this is a 24-door room. I put a little funny video up welcoming people, but we're gonna go over here and jump up top so I can point around and show you what I'm talking about. As you can see, there are 24 doors, right? Each one of these doors is connected to a property inside the Infiniverse. These bottom doors are connected to another room that shows my nonprofit. It takes me back home. That takes me to my actual website. That one takes me to my actual YouTube channel in the Oculus Home. That takes you to the first Infiniverse store where you can get merch that says Infiniverse. That takes you to my buddy Beem Past's TikTok. And down here, we have two information doors. One by BusyZilla, another by Allison. That'll take you to their rooms. Here's something else I'm building. I have it locked right now, but I have another 24-door room on the other side of this where you could connect your door. So if there is something that you want to connect, hit me up. And we could put your door inside this room on the back as we all interconnect. So if we do go inside the first Infiniverse store, this is what it looks like. Come, you shoot through this door. It's a portal. You've seen this before. You've seen this gallery before. Now to get back, just go to my wrist. This takes us right back here. Let's go see what BusyZilla has. You go through her door. You're going to find a lot of good information on the Infiniverse. That'll take you to the Infiniverse. She's not an employee, but she's a volunteer to help you navigate this place. She's got an awesome map. She's got a directory. Let's go see what this is. YouTube content. Creator, click here to enter the lobby. You got my door. You got Liz Gamer, subscribe to her channel. And you see how we've interconnected now? And now I can go back through this door and we'll end up back at my portal. And we started off just by going through this door here. As you can see in there, I'm creating a whole nother 24 door room. So if you want a place in there, hit me up. We can collaborate. What's this? Okay, Beem is live in the Infiniverse. Beem, to you.
Gamer Liz and her YouTube club. If you look to the back of me, all the original OGs of the multiverse. Pirate Ho Ho,
yo,
66
yo
70.
ho ho,
and one of the featured game favorites, Nick. Nick, what's it like being in the multiverse?
pretty cool and pretty expensive, to be honest with you.
Word on the street is you bought your first NFT.
I did, yeah. Would you guys like to see the new NFT?
Yeah, man.
I think I'm gonna place it up in the apartment that I bought right at the penthouse. Got the unicorn.
Why would you buy digital space?
Because it's the future, man. This is where the world's heading, and I want to be at the front lines of it.
For fun.
And you get to socialize with people all over the world.
I've never met Beem, or Nick, or Chevelle, or Pirate, or Liz.
Oh, okay.
Word on
I
the street,
jumped
you
on,
got
man,
your
and
own
I was
YouTube.
running around with some people. Dude, I started getting
Yes,
sick. I'm like,
I've
God,
got my
I
own
need to take a break.
YouTube. Find me and Liz
Possible-
Gamer.
Oh, you got on today?
Possible
Yeah, you probably
competition to
should
recovering
talk.
addict?
I would say not.
Yeah, Squad
I
was
don't think
crazy
I'm
fun.
anywhere on his
So I
radar
did make
with
you
my
sick
little
eventually?
followers.
Friendly competitors?
This thing
I
cost
would
me
say
like
friend-
$2 almost.
That's great. Team,
Seriously?
I like the sound of that.
I have,
You
I
said there's
have an
room-
NFT.
there's room for Beam
that I
pad?
bought.
Sure, there's room
It's,
for Beam. What would a party be without Beam?
This
Go
has
on
been
my
a
Dubai
special
terrace.
report
That's
from the
it's
one and
number
only
784 out of like
now,
4,000.
back to
People are
LT
selling
in the
like
studio.
So what are some ideas that you have? How are you going to interconnect your life with this Infiniverse or your business or your brand or your product? Let me know in the comments.
Like a 5-star maybe, you know?
And how about like a call button? So
and it was the first time, and so I popped in there to check it out, and somebody fawned in there, and the guy said he was brand new, just came in to the, and he said I guess he found me under rooms, and popped in, and I was like, yeah, because I couldn't figure out how
Yeah.
did he find my room
Yes,
so fast.
so there's two ways people can come join you in a room.
Recovering addict, what are you selling here today?
The Infiniverse and the multiple opportunities of the
Behind the
future.
desk.
I was all about your channel today. What you do in general is pretty awesome, but like putting up some views on the Infiniverse, that was wicked. I'm sick on the water. It does clean out over my head. Right. This is there. Rock and roll, man.
And that's a wrap. Weekly videos from the Infiniverse. Peace.